This guide will help you understand the process of requesting payouts on Uber in 2026. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your driver account to access the payout features. Step 2. Navigate to the Earnings section. Once you are in the app, locate and tap on the Earnings tab. This section provides an overview of your earnings, including completed rides and bonuses. Step 3. Select the payout option. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Choose your payout amount. You will be prompted to select the amount you wish to cash out. You can choose to withdraw your entire balance or a specific amount. Confirm your selection. Step 5. Complete the request. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your payout request. This may include selecting a preferred payment method, such as direct deposit or a debit card. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation of your request. After following these steps, you should successfully request your payout on Uber. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber support for assistance.